Today is like about fake profiles, which we will be in a blacklisted situations. So this is the content which we are going to talk about today. Vanakkam, welcome back to this channel. To get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. You know what? Fake profiles. This content will be placed in multiple categories, and as per my knowledge, I can share few criterias which you should avoid in during beginning of the process itself. You know what, let's come into the fresher portion itself. Experienced I will talk in the second category. Now I am completed my graduation at 2020 itself. I have completed my graduation and I'm waiting for a company which is my dream company. I'm waiting for that company to be interviewed me, and I was waiting for that particular opportunity. You know what, times keep on going. 2021 came and 2022 came, and next year also it's going to come. When we are keep waiting, unfortunately or fortunately, we will be putting some fake context in our resumes. For example, I have completed my graduation at 2020. Now I have 2 years of experience. Now I am going to apply in a company A. Okay, what will happen? You have mentioned that you have 2 years of experience. From where did you got the 2 years of experience? There are some companies, if we pay the amount of 50,000 or 75,000 or whatever it may be, they will give you the certification, like salary certification and employment certifications and everything, employment letters and relieving letters, everything they will prepare and they will give you. But you don't have that key knowledge on what we are going to work on it. Even though if you have, one on the another day, if we get caught, we will be in blacklisted situation. That's the true. I have seen many profiles have been fired who has done such kind of fake things, because it's all about money, right? A small organization, they can give 5,000, 10,000. Nowadays, a small organization, they can give 10 to 15,000. This is what I can understand in today's market, today's company situation and everything. Okay, this kind of fake things will be there. And I haven't completed my graduation, and I have prepared some certification for my graduated related certification, degree certifications and everything. Still, I haven't finished my graduation and working for some other organization. Okay, what will happen? I see a real-time situation. One of my friend has told me he was working as a HR for a big MNC company. This happened almost 8 months before, I guess. I'm not sure. I got this news 8 months before from my close friend. He told like he has finished his graduation, and what happened, after 6 years of working, they have identified that there is some fake things in his profile. You know what? He was working for 6 years in an organization. Due to that fake profile, he is a very good skilled person. Due to that fake criteria, he got terminated within a day itself. They have sent an email. That's it. Come and submit your laptop and ID card. We can walk away. That's it. You know what that letter headings, it will be terminated. His 6 years career got ruined. That's it, chapter close. Now where he will be going and working. A small things will cause our career profiles. So please be careful, don't do such kind of things. And another thing is, like as I told, graduation experience letter. I have 2 years of experience letter, and I haven't worked on real time in a particular project and particular situations and blah blah blah. So many situations can occur here and there. But for the 2 years, it's going to be messed up in somewhere. You know what? Let me give you a solution. You can get salary package letter, pay slips letter as a fake criteria. You can get experience letter as a fake. You know what? There are few companies, they will ask your bank statement. There are few companies, they will be asking you bank statements, that on which day your pay slip has been credited, the salary to your account, they can verify easily, and usually we can get caught. Once you joined, whether you are a 0% taxpayer or 10% taxpayer, whatever it may be, every year we have to do the income tax, correct? Even the less salary people also, they have to do the income tax. Few companies, they will be asking Form 16, income tax informations and everything. Details, everything they will be asking you. Due to that also we can get caught. Your salary is something, even though if you go and sit with an auditor and prepare a Form 16 or you pay some taxes, definitely they can easily find out the loopholes and they can catch you out. So please be careful in those criteria. Even if you got small amount of salary, do not hesitate. Go and work for a while, for 2 years, 3 years, and then keep improve yourself. One day, trust me, I am assuring that one day on where you have to be in, definitely you will be in that situation, that position, that kind of salaries, everything. It will be there. You know what? Let me tell me my frank update. Even in my previous videos also I have told, my first salary is 4,500. My first salary is 4,500, and I want to learn many things. That is my first motto, which I do have. Till now I am also having. I want to learn myself and I want to keep exploring myself for 6 months once or yearly once, or after 2 years, after 3 years. I will be keep upgrading myself. Then only I can survey in the software industry platform. That is what I'm been in there. You know what? There is another criteria is like tech skills, fake things. See, if you trust me, I'm going to tell this is not fake thing. If you are working for a particular technology and you know the context of what are the ways which we are going to do some programmings, you know what, there is some upcoming is coming, right? Advanced technology skills which they want. You can learn some basic stuff and you can clear the interview. Once you joined over there, if you really have the tech skills and about the process, programming wise and everything, means I'm sure that within a month you can crack that advanced technology and you can be a pro in that particular advanced technology. So this is not a fake, but this can be done. If you are really a tech skill, you can do it, not an issue. If you are not that much skilled person, learn it and try to do it. This is not going to be a fake criteria. You know what? In many small organizations, right, a particular developer or a manager or who business analyst, they will be doing multitaskings. You know, they will be doing multitaskings. They can reach out to client resources, and they will get the information. They will start working on it accordingly. There are many in small scale industries. You will get global informations, and I will come about those topics. What is the benefit in small scale industries, medium-sized organizations, small scale or medium-sized organizations? There are many things which we can talk about in upcoming videos. Okay, so please don't do such kind of things. Even if you are doing, please be careful. One day if you get caught, your career chapter will be a full stop, gone case. This is one suggestion which I want to give. As a fresher, once you are in a fresher situation, don't hesitate for salary. You want to learn information, you want to be a good programmer, go and work for an organization for a lower salary or whatever salary they are ready to pay for you. And one day, trust me, you will be in a position, or you will be in a situation that what exact amount which is running in your mind, definitely you will get it. You know what? You will be a pro in that. So please don't worry. This is just an information. This is going to be an awareness video. That's what I want to share it. Okay, thank you everyone. If you do have any concerns, right, please leave it in the comment section. We can catch up at next video. Okay, to get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you. Take care. Bye.